Trial for former Judge Gil Self continued today with opening statements. Self is being charged with 18 counts of the use of office for personal or family members' gain, making a false representation to examiners of public accounts, and perjury. WAY 31 reporter Paige Meyer joins us now live from the Lauderdale County Courthouse with the biggest takeaways from court today. Paige?
Yes, Jim, opening statements have wrapped up for today here at the Lauderdale County Courthouse, and we heard some pretty strong arguments from both sides. Now, the state started us off as attorney Jasper Roberts laid out what they're going to attempt to prove during this trial. Now, he listed several instances of Self using his office for personal gain, including vacations he says Self went on using department funds, hiring his son at the Lauderdale County Courthouse without prior experience, and keeping funds intended for work trips that he did not attend. But the defense is telling a different story. Attorney Ralph Holt with Self's legal team says his client had no instruction from the state on how to actually handle the funds. He says during this trial, they were proved that Self paid back any discrepancies that the audits that were conducted found. Now, the first person called to the stand in this trial was the chief examiner for the state, Rachel Riddle. She says during the first audit, there seemed to be a lot of personal purchases made by Self, prompting them to look into whether they were for the department or not. Now, court will resume at 9 a.m. tomorrow. If convicted, Self could face up to 20 years of imprisonment and up to $30,000 in fines per each individual charge that he may receive. Now, make sure to stick with WAY 31 News on this developing story. Reporting live in Lauderdale County, Paige Meyer, WAY 31 News.